Philips Dreamwear full face frame, cushion, elbow, tubing quick release, and headgear before first use is very important. To disassemble, release the headgear tabs and pull the straps through the slots in the mask frame. Turn the magnetic headgear clips away from the mask frame. Disconnect the tubing quick release from the elbow. Pull the elbow from the top of the frame. And finally, separate the cushion from the mask frame. Hand wash the non-fabric parts daily: the mask cushion, mask frame, elbow, and tubing quick release. Use mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Submerge the parts and examine them to make sure there are no air pockets present. Rinse the clean parts thoroughly with water. Let them dry completely before use. In addition to hand washing, you can place the mask on the top shelf of the dishwasher for cleaning once a week. Choose mild detergents and use the air dry cycle. Hand wash the fabric headgear and sleeves each week using mild dishwashing detergent. Spread the clean, wet fabric parts out flat or hang them on a line to dry. Do not place them into the clothes dryer. Inspect your mask regularly for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard and replace parts as needed. To reassemble the Dreamwear mask, insert the mask frame into the cushion. Notice that the openings have a similar shape. Attach the cushion to the mask frame by resting one edge of the frame against the cushion and rolling it into the opening. You should hear it click into place, and the arrow on the cushion should align with the arrow on the mask frame. Insert the elbow into the top of the mask frame. Push the tubing quick release onto the elbow. Once again, you should hear it click into place. Wrap the optional fabric sleeves around the mask frame so that the seams are on the outside away from your face. Press the strips together to attach the sleeves. Now slide the tabs on the headgear into the slots on the mask frame and fold them backwards. Attach the magnetic headgear clips. When correctly assembled, the Philips logo will be on the outside facing up. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.